Like that. Holes here for the pegs of the push bar to go through. So we're just going to make sure it all lines up. So when I actually install it, I have an easier time. Plastic spacers, the fix.
I want to thank the guys here at Blackout. They absolutely found all the options that we needed. We just didn't know what to call it. They put that into their English compared to what I asked for, which was very all over the map, and they produced it. So fantastic vehicle, awesome finished product.
Yeah. There's a reason I asked for that.
Yeah!
You want to see my bird? High-tech stuff here. That is a Bird 43 watt meter. This is used for whenever we put antennas and radios in, we could check our outgoing power of the radio, make sure it's where it's programmed to be, make sure our output is perfect going through the antenna. I will do a 100 through 250 megahertz slug. This one will do up to 100 watts. So if we have a 50 watt radio and we pop this little slug in, this way comes out of the radio, through here, out your antenna. So on the 100 watt scale, if we have a 40 watt radio, when you key up the radio, it will show 40 watts if everything's working correctly. Then on reflective power, normally can't see reflective power too well on a 100 watt slug. So you pop this one out, and we will go with a 5 watt slug. You put that slug in, lock it, and you turn it backwards. So now you're getting reflective power back through to your radio. So where you'll see that is if you have a bad antenna wire, bad grounding, something wrong within the inside of your antenna, this will pick that up. We'll be able to diagnose it and replace it for you. But that is my bird.
I shrunk the kids.
2 screws, Phil.
Coming in.
The side screws, Chuck. You know,
Yeah, you know the little flat.
The Gamble Johnson thing.
Coming in.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Yeah, there's some stuff down there.
Dude, what is that? Yeah. That's what you use to hold up a light tower when you're doing maintenance on it. Well, they rolled.
I think they rolled.
I don't know where away they.
There's one.
Oh.
I can't imagine it rolled that far. He found it.
Found it.
There's the other child.
Okay.
Why is he using this?
Yeah, we don't understand what.
Steven, come here and look at this. No, you gotta look at this real quick. Hurry up, come here. What the hell is this?
How's what?
This.
You're supposed to use a non-metallic screwdriver because when you put this little tuning screw, when you put the metal rod in there, that will affect the resonance of the frequency.
Little tidbit from the man. So of course now we are working on a vehicle that has a high band radio. So we are going to use the correct slug.
It's a Bird model.
Bird
Model
Electronics.
43.
Why we are cutting an antenna, we are doing what's called tuning, where we have our Bird watt meter on the inside and we are measuring our reflective power. So the more you tune your antenna and the lower you get your reflective power, the better off your radio is going to want to transmit and receive. This thing's getting hot.
Okay, hold it. Okay, that's less than a half a watt.
Is that supposed to get hot?
How much more do we? Yeah, how much do we have to cut off?
It's in his 1980s satchel. 1980s leather satchel. We both have birds.